Transform your life with instant meditations, experience inner peace and happiness anytime, anywhere. Take a moment to look around and fully absorb your surroundings. Allow yourself to be fully present in this moment and focus your attention on what you see, hear, and feel. As you do this, you'll notice your thoughts begin to dissipate, replaced by a sense of calm and serenity. This simple act of observation can bring you joy and inner peace that will last a lifetime. So make a habit of it, and incorporate this practice into your daily routine. By doing so, you'll discover a powerful tool for achieving happiness and contentment, no matter where life takes you. Picture yourself achieving your goals with vivid clarity and unwavering focus. See yourself in the future, enjoying the fruits of your labor and reveling in your success. By harnessing the power of visualization, you can make your dreams a reality. Take a few moments each day to imagine yourself overcoming obstacles, reaching milestones, and ultimately achieving your goals. With regular practice, visualization can become a powerful tool in your arsenal, helping you to stay motivated, focused, and on track towards the life you want to lead. So start visualizing your success today, and watch as your dreams begin to take shape before your very eyes. Discover the incredible power of instant meditations by joining our live sessions. Unlike traditional learning experiences, these sessions are designed to help you tap into your inner strength and experience profound feelings of peace and contentment, no matter where you are or what you're doing. Instead of bombarding you with information, our sessions are focused on helping you unlock your true potential to feel good in the moment. So if you're ready to experience the transformative power of instant meditations for yourself, sign up for our live session today and unlock a world of possibilities. The decision is in your hands. You can choose to ignore this message and continue on your current path, or you can take a step towards a more fulfilled life by joining us. Don't miss out on this opportunity to discover the power of instant meditations and unlock your true potential for happiness and peace. Imagine a life where you can feel good anytime and anywhere, no matter what challenges you face. This is the reality that awaits you if you choose to take action today. So don't wait any longer, make the choice to join us and open the door to a brighter future. Discover the life-changing benefits of instant meditation. Join us for a journey of self-discovery.